Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to show you how to create this beautiful looking composition notebook cover within Canva. We need to have some pattern design. You can use free resources, but in this video I will show you two resources where you can get your patterns and how to use these patterns in the right way to create composition notebook covers. So you can see here, this is the pattern here, butterfly and leaves pattern, and here is the spine, and there is shape over the spine, and here is another shape and title, and there are three lines. Okay, so let me exit this and show you how to get these patterns, where and how to get these patterns and how to use these patterns. This is the newest site I have been using, and I find their graphics very professional, and this is the jVAQ&list.com. I will leave the link in the description if you are interested. They have a specific categories for KDPs as well, like KDP designs. Here you can see, and if you search here floral pattern, or if you search here KDP pattern, you will also get patterns, a lot of patterns here. This is the paid, I think it cost $14 per month. If we search KDP patterns, we will get specific KDP patterns for our composition notebooks and general notebooks. You can see here there are 36 specific KDP patterns. The other site is creativefabrica.com. You can go to the search bar and type any type of pattern you want. Like I have typed floral patterns, and there are a lot of patterns here. So these are the two paid sites, and if you are interested in the free option, and you can also get the free patterns from Pixabay directly within Canva. You can need to just scroll down here and click on the Pixabay, and it will open this search bar of Pixabay. You can type here floral patterns and hit search, and you will get a lot of patterns that are totally free for commercial use as well, and you can create a lot of composition notebook covers. So let's get started with this composition notebook covers. So let me duplicate this page and delete everything so we can get started from scratch. Delete the pattern. So this is the blank document, and it is 8.5 into 11 with bleed, and its size is, cover size would be 17.25 into 11.25. So here I have uploaded some patterns from jVAQ&list.com. So I will go to upload folder here, and I will show you how to create these covers. Like I have downloaded this pattern, and I want to turn this pattern into a cover for composition notebook. I will just drag it to enlarge it like this. Okay, make sure it is perfectly centered and perfectly lined, and it fully covers the documents. Now go back to the elements section here, and in the search bar type shape or shapes, and click search, and then click on this rectangle or square shape. This is the square shape, and reduce its width to 2 inches, and then increase the height like this. Now click on the position and center line. Okay, now you can go back and change the color of this. Click on this shape and go to color, and here it will also extract color from your document, and you can select one of these colors like this one or this dark color. This is the, I think, dark pink. Okay, now let's go back to our shapes and select this shape. You can also select this one. I am selecting this shape. It has a border as well. Now reduce the size and then enlarge it toward the right side and place it here, then reduce its size like this, and if you need then you can increase this size like this. Okay, now change the colors, change the black border color to something like white or some light color like this, and you can change the inside color to blackish or any color you want, bluish, which suits with the cover. Select any color like this one, or I will stick with this one. Okay, now we have created our shape. Now we need to add our title, and next add 3 lines for name, phone number or email. Okay, so go back to our text tool here and select heading and change the text to caps lock on composition notebook, and then reduce the size by dragging. Now come here and place it like within the center. Zoom in here to see a better look of this, and now center line this and change the color to white. Now we have added our title here. You can change the font here. Now we need to add 3 lines. Just press the L key from your keyboard to add a line like this. Next, change the size of the line like this. You can reduce the size of the line and then move the line upward here, or use your arrow keys from your keyboard. Next, go to the weight option and reduce the weight to 1 only, and then change the color of the line to white or something lighter color. Now click on the line, and while holding the Alt key, just drag toward the bottom. Again, second line is selected. Hold the Alt key from your keyboard and drag like this. Now, while holding the Shift key, select these 3 lines and go to the position, center, and then vertically, space evenly vertically. Okay, now these lines are evenly spaced. You can select these again if you want to reduce their size or length. Okay, and move it like this. And now if you feel like, you can change the size of the box as well. Now let's see our cover. Okay, now it's look very good. You can change, play around with these colors to make it even prettier. So next thing is you can create the second cover very easily. Just click on the duplicate option and go back to here our patterns like upload, or if you go to the Pixabay option, you can go always to the scroll down and select the patterns from Pixabay. I am selecting the pattern here. These are patterns from Vexels.com. So click on the pattern and then delete the first pattern here below, and now drag this pattern here. Just zoom out a bit and then increase the size of the pattern like this. Go to position, middle align, and then again go to position and send to back. Now you can go here and change the color of this shape, and it is selecting the color from the document here. You can select this color, and now go back to the front panel here and change the colors accordingly. So make it like this, and here we go. Now we have created our next composition notebook cover for KDP books within just 1 minute. You need to set up once and you can repeat the process to create even more covers. One thing you can do is you can also include some sort of things like here, like to make it unique to you. Like you can search anything like cats, dogs, or elements like for kids. If it is for kids, you can search kindergarten and place some sort of element like this 1, 2, 3, place it here, so it is unique to you. This is optional. Your covers and patterns will be unique to you. So this is how you can create composition notebooks using patterns from Vexels.com or Creative Fabrica, or you can go to the free option, that is Pixabay within Canva. I hope you will love this video, and if you have any questions, do share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below, and let me know any other problems you are facing regarding KDP. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.